Good afternoon and welcome back. It's been 2 weeks since I've sent you a little message, and so now that most of you have completed Module 5, we're ready to get back into gear. And I, I have to say, I was really impressed with your YouTube videos. It is by far, for many people, the most challenging module and the most challenging activity, and with a true teacher's elegance, you guys made it look really easy. If you're still struggling with it, don't worry. Shoot me an email. Let me know. Make sure that you go back and re-watch the previous week's announcement that had the video, the tutorial embedded within it. If you have any specific questions or you're pulling your hair out and you're really, really frustrated, don't let that happen to you. Give yourself some time. Remember, you have until the end of the course to turn anything in, and so don't let this overwhelm you, okay? So Module 5, fantastic job. Module 6, you're going to start working with creating a comprehensive assessment plan. So this is going to look at, excuse me, particularly formative assessment, and that's what you're going to be discussing in your discussion. Pardon. You're going to read an article and you're going to look at Tuttle's stages of formative assessment. You're going to identify a web tool that you will use as a formative assessment to evaluate student learning in an online environment, or maybe that you already use. For your activity itself, you're actually creating a document. And it's a comprehensive assessment plan. Now we've got 5 bullet point, 5 numbered things here. Please make sure that you address each of those, because that's essentially the checklist that I'm going to be going off of. So make sure, particularly people forget this part, considering the tools, identify at least 3 formative assessments that you would utilize, and then ultimately what the summative assessment would be, what the rubric is, and write this from the perspective for an online or blended learning class. So make sure that you include all of those pieces that you learned about in previous modules about making sure that your students know and understand what the expectations are, if, for instance, for a discussion, if you want to have them respond to a discussion as one of your formative assessments. And then in the reflection, you're going to talk about using technology within and implementing technology for formative and summative purposes. So with that, it's fairly straightforward. You really are in the home stretch now, and pretty soon I'm going to be creating a webcast, or a screencast rather, to go over how to create a portfolio, and that will supplement our final meeting. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful week, and see y'all later. Bye.